Now let's review Tan balance method system 5. Number 1, what is system 5 in Dr. Richard Tan's balance method called?
Chinese clock neighboring system.
Yes. System 5 primarily balances channels based on
Organ clock
Organ
adjacent.
clock.
yes. In system 5, yin channels generally treat
Yin.
yin
channels.
channels. In system 5, yang channels generally treat
Yang channel.
yang din. Which channel balances the stomach channel in system 5?
Kapag
The
stomach,
yung
large
quiz,
intestine,
Large intestine. Which
Late
channel
yung-
balances the large
Large
intestine
intestine?
channel?
stomach,
tama.
The Chinese clock sequence begins with which channel?
di ba
Lungs.
magsimula sa
Lung.
lungs?
Which channel follows the lung channel of the Chinese clock?
Pag lungs, large intestine, doc.
Which channel comes after the stomach channel?
Spleen. Ay,
Tagal. Spleen. Which
Yes.
channel follows the
tama,
heart
Ano?
channel?
Spleen.
Yeah, tama.
Which channel follows the heart channel?
Heart channel, small intestine,
S.
Which channel comes after the bladder channel?
pag bladder, di ba? Kidney,
Kidney.
Which channel follows the kidney channel?
kidney,
Liver
pericardium.
Pericardium.
Liver.
Which channel follows the gallbladder channel?
Pag gallbladder, liver.
The liver channel is balanced by
Pag liver, gallbladder and lungs, doc.
which neighboring channels balance the lung channel?
Kapag neighboring,
Liver
no?
and LI.
LI.
Stomach channel pain may be treated using
Large intestine and spleen, doc.
gallbladder headache may be treated using
Tanjiao and liver.
wow. Bladder low back pain may be treated using
SI and kidney.
distal needling is
Is preferred in
Kabila.
okay, letter B. System 5 commonly uses needling
contralateral.
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 In system 5, balance is often obtained from
Neighboring.
neighboring channel. Which pair represents neighboring channels? Or saan dito ang neighbors?
Stomach and spleen.
Small intestine channel neighbors. Neighbors.
Heart and
Small
bladder.
Heart and bladder.
Heart and bladder.
pericardium channel neighbors.
Kidney and sanjiao.
It is Tanjiao.
Sanjiao channel neighbors.
Pag sanjiao, no? Pericardium and
Bladder.
bladder.
Kidney channel neighbors.
Pag kidney,
Bladder
bladder and
and
pericardium.
Which system concept states adjacent channels have strong resonance?
System 5.
System 5 is especially useful for
Pain condition and channel disorder.
in system 5 hand channels commonly treat
Sapato foot channel.
foot channels. Foot channels commonly treat
And
Hand channel.
knee
tapos
pain on the stomach channel may be treated on the
Knee pain, di ba? Large intestine channel, doc.
yes. Treatment area for stomach channel knee pain is commonly
opposite.
Opposite forearm.
opposite forearm. Outer wrist pain on the triple warmer channel may be treated using
Gallbladder channel.
yes. Triple warmer wrist pain may be treated near the
Ankle.
No.
oh, di ba? Ang galing. Tender points are important because they
Di ba pag tender points, mag-imaging
Indicates
ka dyan eh.
appropriate imaging system.
yes, letter B. In straight imaging, the elbow represents the
The
Navel.
navel.
navel. Lower abdominal correspondence in imaging is commonly the
Forearm. Forearm.
forearm. Wow. Chest pain running through the liver channel may be treated on the
Or
Lung.
chest and
lung
lungs.
channel. System 5 is commonly
Lung
combined
channel.
with
Pwede ka mag-mirroring
All of the
images.
above.
all of
All
the
of the
above. Which channel pair are direct neighbors?
Bladder, kidney.
Wow, galing. Which pair are not neighboring channels? Hindi sila neighbors.
Not neighbors. Lungs and kidney.
Lung and kidney.
Yeah. The Chinese clock sequence returns to
The
Sequence.
lung.
Lung.
lung. Which yang channel balances the gallbladder channel?
Sanjiao.
Which yin channel balances the gallbladder channel?
Liver.
Which statement best describes System 5?
Hindi namin kita.
Adjacent clock channels balance each other.
Letter B.
Which channel is adjacent to both lung and stomach?
Large intestine.
Intestine.
Which channel is adjacent to both heart and bladder?
Small intestine.
Intestine.
Which neighboring channels balance the spleen channel?
Spleen, diba? Stomach and heart.
Okay. Which neighboring channels balance the pericardium channel?
Kidney and
Pericardium. Kidney and Sanjiao.
And finally, number 50, the last one. The mnemonic for System 5 is
the channels beside the
Channel,
affected
channel,
meridian
the
on the
channels,
Chinese
the
clock and balance it.
Ma.
wow, congratulations everyone. Perfect score.